Welcome to my channel, and today I go to show you how to make a fireproof balloon. The first, you have fire lamp, some water and some balloons. The first, I fire up my lamp like this. You see it now better. Huh. Here we go, some water, and first we blow the balloon. Okay. Balloon is blue, and see, this is pop like this. The that's it. It is the part of how to make a fireproof balloon. Then I fill half this balloon of this water. I fill this balloon half of water, and let's see. Nothing. This is the experiment of how to make fireproof balloon. So there are two black dots. This is my first video, then I show my face. So I think you like this video. Comment, like, subscribe. Bye.